we have a real treat for you tonight. I'm on the southwest coast of Costa Rica, and we'll be visiting one of the lodges here in just a moment. Costa Rica is a small country in Central America, about the size of West Virginia. It's about 1,500 miles south of Tampa, Florida. To the southeast is Panama. To its northwest is Nicaragua. Costa Rica is on the Pacific Rim of Fire and has its fair share of earthquakes and active volcanoes. San Jose, the capital, is situated in a mountain plateau about 3,700 feet above sea level. The easiest way from San Jose to Tiskita Lodge in the southwest corner of Costa Rica is by plane. The planes and airstrips seem to get smaller and smaller with each leg of the journey, adding to the adventure. The final airstrip at Tiskita Lodge is a tiny grass strip carved out of the jungle. Costa Rica actually has two coastlines, one on the Caribbean side, one on the Pacific side. We're on the Pacific side in the southwest right now. Tiskita Lodge is a family-owned ecological resort that encompasses over 550 acres of reserve forest. Owner Peter Aspinall originally homesteaded here over 30 years ago, and he backpacked in exotic fruit trees for his orchard. As tourism developed, Peter added on extra cabins, swimming pool, and dining hall. You can enjoy a relaxing horseback ride as you explore the Pacific shore and the forest trails, spotting wildlife as you ride. Take a walk to the secluded waterfall and play in the refreshing jungle pools as you watch macaws fly overhead. Or just relax in your hammock and enjoy the sounds of the surf and the jungle. Our first adventure was to take a guided walk to spot wildlife and identify some of the plants in this magical place.
Better not to kiss them. And in this case, we can see how bumpy is the skin. If you will see other species, the skin will be less bumpy.
Oh, wow.
There's a healthy population of squirrel monkeys, which are a day's entertainment in themselves. They are quite the clowns in the forest. There are also howler monkeys with their haunting calls that woke us each morning. And the quieter, shy, white-faced monkeys as well. At Tiskita, the plant life is fascinating as well. This is called a walking palm that supposedly will go towards the sunlight, and actually one of the roots is out and taking a step forward. It's jackfruit.
Twist them like this.
They look like kind of look like a peeled grape.
Is that the most you want to try?
I don't like that. Gosh.
It's like cotton.
You'll also get to sample items from Tiskita's fruit orchards and enjoy juices and fruits with every meal. The star fruit here. In the last few years, Peter Aspinall of Tiskita Lodge has been instrumental in bringing back a population of scarlet macaws. In cooperation with the organization Friends of the Birds in Alajuela, several of these magnificent macaws were brought here.
Scarlet macaws used to be an endemic to here. Actually, scarlet macaws were all over Costa Rica. They flew as flocks of like parakeets that fly around many areas of the world. And they were basically pretty much wiped out because of destruction habitat. They nest in very huge trees, and so as the forest is slowly being disappearing, their habitat's being destroyed.
First, they were housed in pens to get them used to the environment. Then they were released, but fed. And now they are fed only a few sunflower seeds per day, just to keep them in the area and to keep track of their progress. How many red macaws do you have now on the property?
We basically have a group of 11 flying around, and the idea is to get to be about maybe 24 to 50.
Now they are successfully eating food in the wild. Another group of macaws has been brought to Tiskita, and the two groups are successfully intermingling. Out of all the sights of Tiskita Lodge, Probably the most exciting is to see these flocks of scarlet macaws flying free overhead. If you'd like to find out more information about Costa Rica's Tiskita Jungle Lodge, phone them at 011-506-296-8125 or visit their website at www.tiskita-lodge.co.cr.
We'll be back with more of Florida Naturally in a moment.